Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a business phone number to RingCentral step by step clearly. To transfer your business phone number to RingCentral, start by gathering your account information. Have your current phone number, account number, and any necessary PINs readily available. Next, access your RingCentral account by logging in to the RingCentral website. Once logged in, navigate to the phone numbers section in the main dashboard. Look for the option that says Transfer Number or Port Number. Click on that option to begin the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter your current phone number. Type in the phone number you wish to transfer carefully. After entering the number, fill in the required details such as your name and address. Ensure that this information matches exactly what your current provider has on file. Next, provide your current account number and PIN if prompted. Check for any additional fields that may require information about your current service provider. Select your current provider from the drop-down menu. After entering all the required information, review everything for accuracy. Once you've confirmed that your details are correct, submit the transfer request. You'll receive a confirmation email indicating that your request has been initiated. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of the transfer. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on your current provider. During this time, ensure your current phone service remains active until the transfer is complete. Upon successful transfer, you will receive another notification from RingCentral. Finally, follow any additional instructions provided in that notification to set up your new RingCentral service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.